Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Simple Trespass Incident Ends in Disaster. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right.
How are you today, sir?
Why do you want to know?
Well, I'm just trying to get to know you. I want to make sure you're okay.
Oh, okay.
The reason I'm here is the staff called. They were concerned about you, so they sent me to come and check on you.
Okay, I'm fine. You can go.
Okay, I got to make sure that they want you in here first. Is there a reason you have a general antagonistic disposition towards me? Or?
Yeah, because you two goons have come here specifically to try to incite a physical incident with a person who's had a heart attack last week.
What?
And I don't think that's a very good thing, and I don't like that.
Why?
You're being very disruptive, and I wish you folks would step back.
Why do you think that?
Because of your body posture, because of the way that you're acting.
You want to have a
I
conversation
take
with them?
offense
Do they
to
want to
it,
have
and I
say
think
what
that
they
you
want?
should stand back.
Hello.
Another step or two would be good.
Come right in. Perfect. This is what little information we have on him because he was a new patient. But he came in and he was very argumentative. He's playing his guitar. While we appreciate your music, it's not appropriate. And you need to stop. And he called them all mother. And then he told the receptionist that if he comes here and his issue isn't fixed, he's going to jump into traffic. He said it 3 times. I don't know if he's joking or what, but he got really mad because it was 1:01. His appointment was at 1 o'clock, and it was 1:01, and we hadn't taken him back.
Yeah, so now you guys basically want him to leave.
Interaction.
Have I done anything right here that you can see that would provoke anything other than just a normal conversation and leave?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, then I prefer that you take another step back. If I'm not a threat to you.
Did you have any type of interaction with them or anything like that that was negative?
I was invited to come here and play my guitar. Apparently I wasn't playing the rap music they liked or whatever, but they decided they wanted to make an issue out of it after being told specifically that I could come here.
Okay.
I had a heart procedure, and they're trying to figure out what's...
Out of all the genres, you gotta say rap music. Really? Really? The lady that they're talking to, come on, man. Come on, man. You acting like all the employees is a bunch of brothers and sisters, man. Come on.
if this is healthy or not.
Okay.
And I play guitar, so I have to play the guitar so that we can see. I drove all the way here in 85-degree heat after having a cardiac event last week.
It was that recent?
Yeah, last week. Would you prefer to have me have a heart attack? I'm not a physical threat.
I would strongly encourage him to be evaluated in the ER for mental health, but he can't come back here unless he's treated.
Okay.
So why do you have to provoke me by standing close and leaning towards me?
I'm certainly not trying to do that with my posture. I apologize if it appears antagonistic.
You are.
I understand you are here for a follow-up appointment from your heart issue. Is that accurate?
I don't have anything to say to you.
Okay, well,
I'm waiting for my doctor's appointment at 1 o'clock. I got here early, and I'm waiting for my appointment.
Okay, well...
That's all you're going to get out of me. Have a nice day.
Well, they would now want you to leave, so I'm just here to assist with that. So
go for it.
Okay, are you ready to go?
You know what? You're going to have to physically hurt me.
Well, we don't want to do
There's
that.
got to be a way we can avoid that.
Yeah.
That seems completely unnecessary.
Why don't you go back and talk to him and see if there's a way that we can avoid this?
I think that we can probably come up with a solution together.
Yeah, I think so too.
So based upon whatever interaction you had with them, they're no longer...
Bro voice sound like AI. I ain't even gonna lie to you, like he sound like AI, bro. Dang. Hey, at least have a little character in your voice, you know what I'm saying? Like me, I talk funny, you know what I'm saying? Have a little character in it, you know? God dang. My voice sound just like a robot.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here for a while.
Unfortunately, that doesn't sound like it's an option because they want you to leave.
You're gonna have to kick me up and take me out.
Oh, there's got to be a way we can avoid that. You seem like a reasonable man.
I made a trip here. It was very hot. I think I need to rest before I get up and go anywhere.
Well, with them being in control of the facility, it's kind of like their property. If they want someone to leave, we have to help facilitate that.
How about this?
How about this? You sit here until I feel good and ready to leave.
Well, we're
How about that?
well, we're here to help everybody that's involved. What about we get an ambulance to come and take you somewhere to get treated?
I don't care what the fuck you do. I ain't moving until I feel good enough to leave.
So look at it from my perspective. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Do you have an appointment here?
He had one.
So does that leave us with two options? Either he leaves voluntarily, or
Yes.
they want him trespassed out of here and he goes to jail.
He's a reasonable man. I think we can avoid option 2.
You want to put your hands on a person who had a cardiac event last week? Take your chances.
We're trying to avoid that, like we explained
Well,
before.
leave it.
Good cop, bad cop. I like it. Classic move, man. My boy Officer AI here. He's the good cop. She's the bad cop. And so is Sarge.
Until I feel goddamn good and ready to.
Well, that isn't an option either.
The only other option we have would be to take you to jail. We don't want to do that. That's completely avoidable.
Let me think about it.
Take some time.
All right.
Option
I'm
A.
going to take probably about 45 or 50 minutes to think
Okay.
about my decision.
So option A would be you simply leave and you're not in any trouble with anyone. And option B would be we would have to take you out of here and arrest you for trespass. That's got to be something we can avoid.
I copy. Radio, line, anybody?
I believe I'm in the market for some legal services. I have 3 goons standing over me, leering and trying to provoke a physical incident. They invited me to come over here and play my guitar because it's my wrist that was injured with the heart cath procedure. We want to make sure that everything's okay with the wound, and they said, yeah, fine, that's fine, just come up. They were looking forward, they said yesterday, to me coming over here.
You're not making any sense, right?
I know.
Oh my God. Honestly, you know what I'm sitting here thinking about? Because eventually down the line, like I'm gonna want to do a body cam channel as well. And I'm just like, how do these guys find these stories? Like, I know Midwest Safety is a little bit different because the owner is a 911 dispatcher. So of course he gonna, he gets the calls, you know what I mean? So he knows the good stories and stuff. But like some of these channels, they have some good content, man. Some good content, bro. And this guy is a freaking whack job, okay? Like, I'm surprised Officer AI has so many, so much, what is it? Like, calmness about him. He has a calmness about him. He's real mellow, and he's not so, because I would be more like Sarge, I ain't gonna lie. Like, you got 1 or 2 options, man. Listen. My officers were here before I even got here, and you're still sitting here. By the time I get here, you got about 3 minutes to either get up or I'm gonna get you up. You know what I mean? And we gonna dead issue. That's it. So Officer AI is he's pretty chill, man.
I'm rambling, but anyways, they now told me to leave, and I don't feel like leaving. So, yeah, I just talked to an attorney, so whatever you want to do, I'm going to take 45 minutes to just kind of rest and see how I feel, and then we'll decide if I leave then or not.
Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to give you that much time, unfortunately. I do
Can I
very...
give a 65-year-old guy with a heart attack a chance to make it out alive, or you want to hurt me?
I don't want to hurt you at all.
I'm hoping that we can resolve this peacefully.
I'm hoping we can resolve it peacefully in about 45 minutes.
Because we've got an ambulance that can come up with a cot, which would be an easy way that you wouldn't need to walk.
Good. Thank you for coming and helping us.
Sure.
What do we need to sign for?
Well, what I'm going to need to do is go out there and tell him that he either has to leave right now, or you, as the person in charge of the premises, is trespassing and banning him permanently.
Yes, we
Okay.
will ban
And
him
then
permanently.
if he doesn't leave, then you're willing to sign charges for trespass.
Correct.
And that's what you'll do.
Yes.
So yeah, what'll happen is if he won't get up and leave,
We'll just take
we'll have to take him to jail. And
I hope he doesn't go to that far, but if yes. Please.
do you have a business card on you, or if not, I'll just perfect. Okay.
But when we're
Max,
constantly being
This is the
triggered,
doctor who's in
or
charge of the
getting
premises,
in
and if this
this
man does not
way,
vacate the
because
premises now,
our
he's
personality
banned from here.
and our
If he doesn't
value
leave,
reflects it.
he wants to pursue trespass charges.
Okay, so we've reached the precipice, sir.
You gonna let me think about it?
No.
No, you have 60 seconds.
They want you.
Precipice.
They want you out.
I
My
can't
boy
think
using
about
big
that.
words, boy.
Okay, well, the time to leave this building is now. They've made it clear.
Okay, let's go.
You've been
Let's
clearly
go.
told. You've been clearly told that
Carry me out.
you are immediately to vacate the premises.
I'm ready to go.
All right, this is your last chance. Is there anything I can say or do that would convince you to simply walk out peacefully?
I don't think I can because I had a cardiac event.
You can take a few minutes outside. You need to leave this building now.
Drag me out.
Get up and act like a grown up. Act like a grown man and get up and walk out.
Good
All
job,
right, sir, you're
Sarge.
under arrest. I got to put you in handcuffs. Do you have any weapons on you? Watch your head.
No worries for me.
Where's your pocket? I don't want anybody to get hurt.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know where it is? Is it in your pocket?
What type of arrest
Unfortunate
is
that
this?
had to come to this.
No, you're not going to touch me. Leave me alone.
You're arrested, sir.
Leave me alone. You leave me alone. Come over.
Oh, about time. God dang. I'm
Put your
waiting.
hands behind your back.
No.
Yeah, get him with some act right,
Let's
man.
get your other arm and then we can get you sitting up, okay?
I can't move.
Yeah, you can. Just
I can't
relax.
move.
I got
Yeah,
it.
we're going to have to pull it out here.
As soon as we get that arm out, I'll pull it up. Just relax.
Put your hand behind your back.
Don't you kick.
You're lying.
I know. Okay,
We have a highly resistant combative
let's roll him up.
gentleman here.
Let's roll him this way.
Watch the kicks.
Sit him up.
Do you guys have any tie downs, restraints for the legs?
Didn't know we should do.
Neither did we.
What's his name?
Don't know.
I will not tell anything to anyone until I get a mask on my face
Okay.
and I get my glasses.
All right, we got your mask right here. There you go. And your glasses. How about I give you your glasses?
I want to go home.
Well, unfortunately, you're going to jail.
You want it to be easy? We can just get me up and I'll walk out.
All right. One second.
Wait, you're willing to walk on your own power?
1, 2, 3. All right.
Hey, Mike.
How you feeling right now, sir?
I had a heart cath operation on this wrist, and I would appreciate that being taken off right now.
How about this? If you calm down, everything will be fine.
The wrist is what I was here for. You guys are aggravating it, and I will sue. Come on now.
Nope. Not gonna work.
You take my mom's ashes, I will kill you. And I mean it.
Let's not do any threats. That's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Swiss Army knife.
Where's it located?
Well, you guys threw me all over the place. Who knows where it is?
No. Where would you keep your pocket knife on you?
Still need to
Oh,
check
how about that? I didn't lie to you. You're
Still need to-
stupid.
those
you.
back pockets. What's his medical condition?
He's trying to kick me. So.
Do you have a medical condition that you need immediate attention for, or are you ready to go to jail right now?
The hospital.
For what?
We have to tell them what you're going for. What are you going for?
They don't just let people in.
My wrist is sore. My heart doesn't feel right.
You're still under arrest. Your property's going to go back to the jail. You can come back to the jail when the hospital clears you, and you'll get your stuff then. Sound like a plan, Brian?
You.
Easy. There's ladies here.
Them too.
No, come on. Settle down.
Uncalled for.
What we're doing, criminal trespass
Yep.
and resisting?
Probably disorderly and resisting.
Okay.
Brian, you know what day it is today?
You day.
That's pretty much what you did to yourself.
Love that day. Hey, Brian.
All right.
Hey, don't do this with the phone.
Down. They're trying to check.
Settle the down.
They're trying to check.
Got it? I'm not gonna take this from you.
They're trying to check your heart, man.
I'm refusing an EKG.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So do you want to just go to jail now, or do
No,
you
I want to go to the hospital.
Okay, so you're refusing medical treatment.
I'm refusing you treating me.
Okay.
I'm refusing any treatment until I get into the hospital.
Brian, hey, dude. Not a good move. I'll tell you that right now.
June 5th, I think that's it.
I think he said thank you.
I think you need to go f- your mother for Mother's Day, don't you?
Hey, bud, can I take your blood pressure?
No, I was laying down and these guys did this to me.
Hey, Brian, this isn't an I told
don't
you so.
fight laying
This is
down.
for the next
I
time.
lay
Remember
down.
this.
Hey, f- you for
No.
next time.
You made your choices, and now you have to deal with them. So next time, don't make those choices, and you won't have handcuffs on you.
I just asked for time to think about it, to rest, because I had a heart attack, and it's the first time I've been out.
Well, they just asked you to leave, and you refused.
A lot of times, all it takes is police presence for a person to become hostile. Hey guys, I'm John. I appreciate you watching. All police...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.